Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by validating prerequisites. Windows 10 or 11, at least 8 GB RAM and 20 GB free, so Keynote runs smoothly. Once done, decide your path. Use iCloud Web for basic edits, or run Mac OS via virtualization for full features. Make sure to download VirtualBox or VMware and an appropriate Mac OS image if you choose virtualization. Begin the file backup now, because restoring is harder than prepping. Follow these first steps immediately so the core setup can proceed without delays. You now implement the core. If you picked iCloud Web, sign in with your Apple ID and open Keynote. This gives quick access, though some advanced features are limited. If you chose virtualization, install Mac OS in the VM, update the system, then open the App Store, sign in, and download Keynote for full feature parity. If virtualization is impractical, connect to a remote Mac or rent a cloud Mac. This preserves native performance. Transition gradually from basic edits to full feature work once Keynote launches. You finish by securing your work. Save a native. Key file and export copies as PPTX and PDF for sharing. Make performance adjustments if the app feels slow. Allocate more RAM or CPU to the VM. Enable 3D acceleration and close heavy background apps. If Keynote won't open, verify your Apple ID, ensure iCloud Sync is active, and review VM networking and shared folder permissions. If problems persist, reboot the VM or reconnect the remote Mac. These fixes resolve most startup.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.